Hi, today we are going to see chapter 8, exercise 8.4. Okay, the first problem, if A and B are two mutually exclusive events of random experiment and P not A is equal to 0.45, P of A union B is equal to 0.65, then find P of B. Okay, so probability of B we have to find. Here solution, we have P of A is equal to A union B is equal to 0.65, P of not A is equal to 0.45. P of not A can be written as P of A bar is equal to 0.45. Okay, and here given A and B are two mutually exclusive. So P of A intersection B is equal to 0. Okay. So now we have to find P of A. Okay. So P of A bar is equal to 0.45. P of A bar can be written as 1 minus P of A. So P of A is equal to 1 minus 0.45. So P of A is equal to 0.55. Okay. So from adding theorem, we get P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay. So here P of A is 0.55 plus P of B minus P of A intersection B is 0. P of A union B is 0.65. Okay. So P of B is equal to 0.65 minus 0.55. We get P of B is equal to 0.10. Okay. This is the probability of B is equal to 0.10. Second problem, 3 unbiased coins are tossed once. Find the probability of getting at most 2 tails or at least 2 heads. Okay. So here solution, here the sample set is equal to HHH, HTH, HHT, TTH, THH, THT, and TTH, sorry, HHT, HTT and TTT. Okay. So HHH, HTH, HHT, TTH, THH, THT, HTT, TTT. Okay. This is the sample space. So N of S is equal to 8. Okay. Now we have to find at most 2 tails. Okay. This is B. Okay. Sorry, A. So A be the getting at most 2 tails. A be at most 2 tails. Okay. So A is equal to at most 2 tails means 2 tails, 1 tail or no tail. Okay. So HHH, HTH, HHT, TTH, THH, THT and HTT. Okay. So now N of A is equal to 7. So P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. So 7 by 8. Okay. So now B, that is at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads means 2 heads or 3 heads. Okay. So B is equal to HHH, THH, HHT, HTH. Okay, so N of B is equal to 4. So therefore P of B is equal to N of B divided by N of S. So 4 by 8 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now we have to find A intersection B. So A intersection B is HHH, THH, HHT and HTH. So N of A intersection B is equal to 4. So P of A intersection B is equal to 4 by 8. So 1 by 2. Okay. Now we have to find P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay. So now P of A is equal to 7 by 8. P of B is equal to 4 by 8 minus P of A intersection B is 4 by 8. So 4 by 8, 4 by 8 cancel. Here we get P of A union B is equal to 7 by 8. So the probability of getting at most 2 tails or at least 2 heads is equal to 7 by 8. Third problem, in a town of 8,000 people, 1,300 are over 50 years and 3,000 are females. It is known that 30% of females are over 50 years. What is the probability that a chosen individual from the town is either a female or over 50 years? Okay. Solution, here given is N of S is equal to 8,000. Okay. So let A be choosing people over 50 years. Okay. So N of A is equal to 1,300. So P of A is equal to 1,300 divided by 8,000. Okay. So now B be choosing a female. Okay. So N of B is equal to 3,000. So P of B is equal to 3,000 divided by 8,000. Okay. Now we have to find 30% of female are over 50 years. Okay. So N of A intersection B is equal to 30% of females are over 50 years. Okay. So 3,000. So get cancelled. We get 900. Okay. So P of A intersection B is equal to 900 divided by 8,000. Okay. Now we have to find P of A union B. That means the probability of choosing individual from the town is either a female or over 50 years. Okay. So P of A is 1,300 divided by 8,000 plus 3,000 divided by 8,000 minus 900 divided by 8,000. Okay, here we get 3,400 divided by 8,000. So 34 divided by 80, it can be written as 17 divided by 40. So the probability of choosing a female or a person over 50 years is 17 divided by 40. Fourth problem, in a class of 35 students or number from 1 to 35, the ratio of boys to girls is 4:3. Then the roll number of students begins with boys and ends with girls. Find the probability that a student selected either a boy with prime roll number or a girl with composite roll number or an even roll number. Okay. Solution. Here number of students, so n of s is equal to 35. Here the ratio of boys is to girls is 4 is to 3. So we have to find n of b is equal to 4 by 7 into 35. So 20. So n of g girls is equal to 3 by 7 into 35. So 5, it gives 15. Okay. Now we have to find, so n of here b is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 20, and g is equal to 21, 22, 23 up to 35. Okay. So now let A be the event of selecting boys with prime roll number. Okay. So n of, so A is equal to prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Okay. So 8. So n of A is equal to 8. So P of A is equal to 8 divided by 35. Okay. So let C be the girls with composite roll number. Okay. Girls with composite number. So C is equal to 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 32, 33, 34 and 35. Okay. So n of C is equal to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So 12 divided by, so n of C is equal to 12. So P of C is equal to 12 divided by 35. Okay. Now E be the even roll number. Okay. So E is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. Okay. So n of E is equal to 17. So P of E is equal to 17 divided by 35. So now we have to find A intersection C. So A intersection C is empty set, as well as C intersection E is equal to 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. So n of C intersection E is equal to 7. So P of C intersection E is equal to 7 by 35. So E intersection A is equal to 2. So P of E intersection A is equal to 1 by 35. So P of A intersection C is 0. So C intersection E is also 0. Okay. So now P of A union C union E is equal to, P of A is 8 by 35 plus 12 by 35 plus 17 by 35 minus P in A intersection C is 0 minus C intersection is 7 by 35 minus P of E intersection A is 1 by 35 minus 0. Okay. So here we get 8 cancel. So 12 plus 17, 29 divided by 35. Okay. Thank you friends. Please share and subscribe my channel.